Namaskar. My name is Ghanshyam Singh Birla. I am Vedic palmist astrologer now over 5 decades. We are going to talk today about traps of mind. You know, palmistry has the best written script done by nobody but you. So I find in my so many experiences that hands is the best part of our existence. It reveals everything what we have been doing. So these traps are amazing. These traps keep us deluding our consciousness, eclipsing our discernment, and it continue to provide us on and on headaches, challenge, problems, and against all our healthy, happy, harmonious future, they keep us deluding. So there is no better subject than hands to read those traps and get them out of our life. So here we are. How these traps are seen in our hand? A, we see with the middle line called headline. It is just below the heart line and above the lifeline joining where it goes across the palm all the way. So what is this headline has to do with traps? Actually, headline shows our consciousness. Headline shows where we are coming from and where we are going. It shows our intensity of character. It shows where really our priorities are. But there are other lines in the hand too, such as destiny, such as sun, such as Mercury. So if you have only one headline in the hand and you don't have other lines, naturally you have abundance of energy, enthusiasm, passion even. But if you don't know how to put that passion into action towards your continued health, vitality, and motivation, naturally this headline will find you in traps very quickly. Because compulsion-born impulses, instinct-born fun and pleasure, normally these inspirations continue to beguile us from the very beginning of our life to the end. Unless we are fortunate enough to go for self-inquiry, either through own meditation or through some palmist astrologer or through some saint or sages, we have to be open to this self-inquiry. So, in order to get rid of these traps, God has given us these freedom-born lines and signs in the hand connecting to our brain cells. We know what we are doing, consciously, subconsciously, superconsciously. So these traps, as we are going to discuss today, are in the form of where we put our headline now, what our consciousness revealed to us. And is that really possible that we can get away from traps? Yes, if there is a outlet of some kind in order to prove that you know better, you know you are going to go this way or that way, and you are not going to be in those traps. Most of us don't even realize that these are the traps. But compulsion-born instincts lead us to those traps. We do not use our discernment. And what does that mean? It means we think right as wrong and wrong as right. So perception becomes our problem. Anyway, the challenge here, we are talking of traps. So today I want to invite your attention to our guest handprint before and after. You can watch very carefully the before handprint, only 3 lines there, and after handprints, host of many lines there. What happened? So after discussing this with this gentleman for a while, I recognize his purpose of life is to have fun, to go out with as many girls as possible, to really enjoy living off grandfather's money as much as he can, and it is important for him to continue to be not interrupted. You see the headline in the beforehand print? Headline is very straight and down to earth, but in a way, if there was some direction created, there was some lines, hotline is good, destiny there, or Mercury is there, or sun line is there, then he will have something to do. But with this strong pioneering spirit of intense, direct, straightforward, totally stubborn mind, he does not know where and how and when to stop. So after discussing that for a while, I realized that he will waste his energy. I saw in his before print that his heart line is broken. I saw lifeline towards the left, towards the end is exhausting. Very little energy left. And I also saw that his headline too is withering away. So I suggested him, you have two choices. Continue doing that, enjoy as much as you can, and finally at the end of the life you will see there is no energy left, there is no motivation. What for? You have wasted all your life. For what? Or become wiser, smarter. Don't let this trap of personal ego, I consciousness, I don't like this, I don't need that, I don't listen to you. This I consciousness is the biggest and the largest trap in palmistry. And it's called I consciousness, means I-ness, ego-bound mind. So I told him, why to waste your life? What for? Give some joy to your background, your family. Have a purpose, have a destiny, have a direction. And use this intense passion to do something in life. Somehow, God bless him, something clicked. And he said, by the way, I have now found one great girl who really is crazy for me, almost flattering. And I don't pay attention, but she's very, very, very nice. So I said, show me handprint. Well, I don't have a handprint. Well, do you know what date of birth? Remember when you made an appointment, you were told any close person, you need to have date of birth, time of birth. Oh, yes. Here, he got into the pocket and he showed me. And with my office help, I immediately did the chart and her photo was there. And I saw careful, serious, concentrated introspection to the chart. I found she can be very reliable, healthy, happy, resourceful, strong, inspiring person. I said, go for it. Do not waste 1 minute. Please, you have to find what you will do with her and inspire her, what she will do with you. Consequently, he listened. Looking at the afterprint, you can see that he has developed a union line, a sun line, he develops destiny line. Look, one single mind, one single destiny line. He even have truth line, which is a line of meditation, research, search for infinite joy. And he has a square palm, which is good for business. So he was drawn instinctively again to a rational decision. He will do business. He will take care of his sweetheart. And my God, after that, he was, and he will be success. I wished with all my heart. So the trap is out. He found something to do with his energy. And now I heard lately that he has 5 children, I think, and he's still living happily with his business over 30 years and very successful. And you can say rest is the history. So these traps of mind are very important and they eclipse our discrimination, determination, and even discernment. So please, I urge you, be wise to find something, a specific destiny, purpose, and then your energy will help you to get there. All the best. Continued blessing. Thank you.